Hello traders, the title of this video is how to avoid trading the financial markets blindly. How one can avoid trading the financial market blindly. Alright, so do you trade currencies or do you trade futures? Do you trade indices? Do you trade the stocks? Do you trade gold? Do you trade crude oil? Alright, what type of trader are you? Are you trading blindly the financial market, or are you trading the financial market with your eyes wide open without blinking? In this tutorial, I want to share with you, alright, okay, how to avoid trading the financial markets blindly. So you may have a bit of idea what I'm about to discuss, but I recommend to traders to watch the full length of this video. I will keep it short so you may understand everything that we are about to discuss, alright? So as I started trading first, alright, I went through different stages, which is normal, alright? So I've seen it all the time. Sometimes a trader may ask a question or a trader may post a comment on our video, and that's why I do not get angry or upset with traders, because traders go through different level stages, alright? So in my learning curve, so to speak, I have discovered that I was trading blindly. So beginning, I was using the technical indicators, mostly the stochastic and MACD, alright? And I would just trade them. I don't look at the price, I don't draw trend line, I don't draw channel, I don't use market geometry. All I do care about is my stochastic oversold, overbought, and my MACD crossing above its signal line or above the zero line. That's all I was doing. But after a while, I have discovered that there were other traders using different tools, trading in a different way. I remember clearly one afternoon, beautiful afternoon in London here. It was Friday, in fact, and I was trading the DAX 30. Okay, that's the German index, all right, the DAX 30. And the DAX 30, by the way, if you are trading the DAX 30, DAX, all right, Delta Alpha X. If you trade that index, you understand that index is mimicking exactly the Dow Jones index. So if you are trading the Dow Jones, if you are successful trading the Dow Jones index, you can trade the German DAX 30 index. They follow each other, okay, carefully. So just to mention that, all right. So that afternoon, I was punished, in the proper sense of the word, punished by professional traders, because my technical, my stochastic, my MACD did not help me. And I was thinking, those people are a little bit crazy. Why are they trading like this? This is a market manipulation. But it was not. It was just I was trading blindly. So the reason why I think this video is essential to all traders, so they may know where to, okay, put their feet, so to speak, in the financial market, so they don't trade blindly or continue to lose money all their life, all right, which is not good. I want to touch few points, okay, today, so hopefully you'll get a message. If not, you may disagree with me today. If you disagree, you can mark the video down, but maybe in the future, I know for sure that in the future, you may come back and agree and say, what George was saying here was true. All right. So I thought that I would share my experience with a lot of traders, because usually when somebody is talking about something that you have not yet experienced, it doesn't make any sense at all. You will say this is mumbo jumbo or whatever you call it, all right, or BS, as some traders say, bullshit or whatever. But you just need to acknowledge it today, okay? So let's go first to the chart. Okay, you see here I'm looking at KMX, that's a Car Mass Incorporated, okay, American stock on the S&P 500, and I'm on a monthly chart, all right? So you see on this chart here, we have enough data. This is one more thing I need to clarify when we are talking about trading blindly. So sometimes traders are using trading software that does not allow them to see enough data on a specific time frame. So here you can see that I have a data from 1997, okay, to today, 2016. That's a long time. This is good. All right. So on this monthly chart, I have enough data. But if you are using a trading software, all right, that does not allow you to have enough data, all right, you are trading blindly. What you can do is to send email to that provider and say, okay, we have enough data. You may have to upgrade, okay, your subscription because they may have a different packages, all right. So you may have to upgrade to have a better enough data. But the point I'm making is that one of the reasons why sometimes traders are trading blindly, they do not have enough data, so they don't see the bigger picture. All right, they don't see the bigger picture. All right, so they see only part of the picture. So you see, if I put it like this, suppose that's all you see. All right, suppose that's the only data that you can see on your chart from 2014 to today. That's all you will see on your chart. If you are using a data like this, you are trading blindly. So now that I bring it here, you can see we can see enough data from 2011 to today. It gets a little bit better. And here we are from 1997, it become better. So check your trading software and make sure that you have enough data. So but now if I go to the quarterly chart, we have again a data from 1997 to today, which is good again, enough data. So the first thing that one should do to avoid trading blindly is to make sure one is using, okay, a trading software that allows one to see enough data, charting data, all right? On your chart, you want to see, okay, candlestick bar, okay, for more than 10 years, at least, more than 10 years, okay? Here it is, you see here. But now if we go now to the yearly chart, you can see that we don't have enough data here on the yearly chart. So we only have from 2000 to 2016. Sometimes they may say that's enough. But the reason why sometimes the providers, I need to talk a bit more about those providers also, is because they pay a lot of money for those data and you are subscribing to the data, all right? So they may have different packages, all right? So you may pay more for, they may say platinum or they may say gold, all right, and so on, or basics. So you want to pay a little bit more or you want to make sure you get enough data. Now, so like on a yearly chart like this, for me personally, from you may say, George, there are more data here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1996 to here, it's not bad, okay, for this stock. But if, for instance, all right, you go to the yearly chart and you only see 4 or 5 years like this, that's not enough data. So you don't see the bigger picture. You only see the peak of the picture or a portion of your chart, and you are trading with that. So you may say to me, George, I already know this. You talk about it already. Why are you banging on it? Sometimes you may have enough data like this, but what usually happens, people will go, all right? People will go, for instance, to the 50-minute time frame. At least a 50-minute time frame. If you go on a 50-minute time frame, you are also looking at a portion of the chart. That's why we say to traders to use different time frame. But believe it or not, my friend, believe it or not, pay attention, believe it or not, right now, there are traders using the lower time frame alone to trade. I hope they are making excellent trading decision, but by using only the short time frame, okay, 5 minutes, all right, 3 minutes, or 10 minutes, all right, those are lower time frame, hourly time frame, 30-minute time frame alone for day trading or swing trading purposes or daily chart alone, one is trading blindly. So I'm talking first about the data, the amount of data that your provider is giving you on a particular time frame. But now I'm talking also about a trader that decided to trade on a lower time frame. That's another scenario when one is trading blindly. One is only using the short term okay, market data to trade. One is trading completely blind. So avoid, okay, trading only on a short-term time frame. Use different time frame. Recently, I posted a video at I think 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, and I was talking about one particular strategy. And I noticed that some traders don't like that strategy. I understand why. Okay, I don't get upset. Okay, I understand why. I will be recording another video when I will be talking about, I think I should have another channel where I will talk to traders about how one can learn on YouTube. That would be a great channel. Because there is so much information on YouTube, but I don't think people are consuming those information, okay, appropriately, all right? So if you learn, for instance, a strategy, all right, suppose we talk about strategy. The strategy that I was talking about on that channel was how to combine a trend line and a moving average 100. See, so talking about trading blindly, a trader may apply how to combine a trend line and a moving average 100, for instance, on the 5-minute, on the 50-minute, on the 30-minute, on the hourly time frame, and it will fail badly, not because the strategy has failed, but just because the trader is trading blindly using just a portion of a data to make a decision. The best approach would be to use that strategy on a higher time frame, for instance, weekly time frame, and then use different time frame before coming to the lower time frame. That would be the better. But it's happening all the time. I see a lot of my fellow YouTubers post videos about trading. Trader will go, what they will do, they will go and use it blindly. What do I mean? They go on the lower time frame, try to apply it. I've done it myself before. So you learn it, and then you go on. I was going on my 3-minute time frame, apply those strategy. It didn't work because I was trading blind. So to avoid, okay, trading the financial market blindly, first, one should avoid using trading software that do not provide enough data. You want to see more than 10 years data on the monthly chart, on the quarterly chart, and also on the yearly chart. I'll prefer that. Very, very important. The second thing, to avoid trading blindly, one should, okay, avoid making trading decisions only on a lower time frame. All right. There's one more scenario. So if you want to have enough data on the yearly chart, on the quarterly chart, on the monthly chart, at least more than 10 years, okay, so if your provider is not giving you that data, you may write to them. They may say, oh, right, you're on the basic package, you need to go to the gold package, or you may go to platinum package, which may be too expensive for you. Then you have to look for another provider. But you can write to them and say, oh, I would like to see the yearly chart. Why you don't see the yearly chart? Those kind of communication will put them a bit under pressure. And you may encourage other traders that are using the same software to put the same information forward, because if the management receive more complaint or more suggestion related to one particular topic, they will try to do something about it. If they are serious about their business, they will do something about it and give you exactly what you like to have. Otherwise, you may have to look for another provider. Okay, but you want to give them a bit of chance, okay, if they can improve things, if you like them, all right, and you support them, all right. That's what I think is the best way forward to create a nice symbiosis, all right. That will be good for everybody. So enough data is very important. Do not trade on the lower time frame. This will help you to avoid, okay, trading blind. There's one more scenario when traders are trading blind. This time, it's not about enough data. It's not about trading on the lower time frame. Believe it or not, there are even traders that are more advanced that are doing that all the time. Okay, all the time. But it's up. But you know, the worst thing. Okay, if you want to make sure that somebody never succeed in life, all right, is to. It's very simple. You can convince them if they are doing something wrong. You can convince them that what they are doing is completely right. So if you convince somebody that is doing something bad, you convince him that what he is doing fine is completely good, you screw that person once and for all. If the person believes you, screw him forever. But that's not what I'm doing on YouTube. I know some people do not care about traders at all. I do care about traders. So what I'm talking about here, all right, is this. You are making a mistake, okay, trading mistake. If you don't know that you are making a mistake, that's very, very bad, all right? Because you're not going to do anything about it. You're not going to take the first step to do something about it. And it's just going to weigh you down, which is not good, all right? So The point I'm talking about here is that the last aspect of trading blindly is when traders do not know whether the support and the resistance level. Can you believe it? So you may say, George, I always know where are the support level. Yes. Sometimes traders know, but they don't do anything about it. All right. They don't draw them. They don't act accordingly. So you know where are the resistance level. Do you sell at all? Do you always sell? And you make sure that you always sell at a resistance level. You know where the support and resistance level are. Do you always look for bullish chart pattern at a support level? Do you always make sure your buy signal is near a support level? All right? Do you know how to sell when the price is near a support level? The price might break below and retest that support level and turn around. Or do you know how to buy at a resistance level? But when I'm talking here about how to avoid trading blindly, I want to show you one example now. So I put on my chart here some trend line, okay? So if you pay attention to the green trend line, so I connect this point, this point and this one here, all right? So we have the green trend line. You can see that the price came near that green trend line for the first time here, all right, and quickly returning below it. So if, for instance, you did not draw this trend line, you know that there is a resistance here. You know at all. So you are trading blindly. You are trading blindly. All right, you are trading blindly because you don't know where our resistance level are. Here again, the price touches here and find a resistance again because it's a resistance level. You can see that we have another bearish candlestick where the price was retesting the same green resistance line. Now the price breaks above that resistance line, the green line, and look, we test it here on the edge and find support. And look how many times it touches here, it touches again here, and bounce up. But if, for instance, this line is here now, so when you were here, probably you draw it. But now, few years later, you forget about that trend line. But that trend line is still there. And the trading algorithm, the high frequency traders know those trend lines are still there. But because over the year, traders forget that there was a trend line there and they don't know. So when the price was here now, they don't know that there is a trend line here. But there is a trend line. That's why you may see very often on my chart, I have all sorts of lines. You may be wondering, George, you are quite a crazy trader. Why do you need all these lines on your chart? Remove them, please. But some of the lines, I don't want to remove them. You see here? So now this trend line is here, and now you know as it's coming back here, you know. That's how the trading algorithm can dictate those trend lines and trade on the edge of those trend lines. Even in 20 years' time, this trend line that is projected into the future, they can still trade around that green trend line forever. They know where is that trend line, but you as an individual trader, you may not even know that there is a trend line there. In that case, if you do not know, all right, you will be trading blindly. At that point in time, probably you'll be selling on top of that support level, which is the green line here. Am I making sense? All right. So you want to have enough data so you may see your support and resistance level over a long period of time, support and resistance level that are lasting. Now pay attention to the orange one. So now this time I connect this point here. And this one here, we are talking about knowing where are the key support and resistance level. So pay attention to the orange line. Look, you see the price breaks above the orange trend line. You look at the tail of this candle here. Why the tail is a support level. Price find a support, bounce up. Here again on the orange line. Here again on the orange line. You may say again, here again, and here again. That orange line has been useful. But if you didn't draw it, if you don't know where it is, if you don't know there is a support here, you won't make the correct decision. You won't be able, to understand, what the price action is about to do. Now let's switch our attention to the pink trend line. The pink trend line, look how I draw it. I connect this point and this one here. But you can see that so far the price just break through it. You see, break through it. So prior breakthrough it, look at this candle here. It's trying, you see the shadow on top, was trying to retest that orange line, break below, retest, giving us, this is a bearish, okay, candlestick bar here, because the first one break through it, the second one went back up to retest it where it was sold before it went all the way down and closed below the opening price. Well, you see them, the orange, the pink trend line. And again, we can leave this pink trend line on our chart for years, and this will allow us to know where are the resistance level, because the high frequency traders and the algorithm, okay, the trading algorithm can pinpoint that pink trend line, that pink, okay, resistance and support level on the chart. Even on the 5-minute time frame, even on the 10-minute time frame, those trading software can pinpoint those key support and resistance level. But if you do not know, so that's why you sometimes say, why the price coming down? There's no resistance here. Why everybody selling? Because there is a resistance, but probably for an individual trader, he or she could not see. But trading software can detect those, okay, support and resistance level. So you may say to me, George, all right, which trading software should I buy now? Draw your trend line. I do not recommend, okay, any trading software. Just draw your trend line, know where are the key support and resistance level, and you will avoid trading blindly. Now let's pay attention to the red one. So how I draw the red line, you see here, I connect this point, nothing should stop it. I can connect this one and this one here, all right? Just connect them, connect all the points, connect all the dots. That's what, okay, the trading algorithm are doing. They are connecting the dot and they know where are the resistance and support level. All right. So by connecting, okay, this point and this one here, we draw the red line. Look, here it is. Pay attention to the red line, and we're going to go now. I'm going to show you how you can go even from the monthly chart, okay, to the 3-minute time frame. Can we see? You see now? Because you see, this is what we are talking about. This is trading blindly. Because on the 3-minute time frame, we can't see all the data here. You see? We have only portion of the data. Do not trade only, all right, on the lower time frame. Don't use powerful trading strategy only on the lower time frame. It's about market noise. It may work for a while, and it may not, because it's not solid ground, all right? So if I go now to the 50-minute time frame, here it is. That trend line that we have drawn on the monthly chart, here it is on the 50-minute time frame. So on the monthly chart, the price was going up all this month. You see what he did here? He just turned around. When you see that, do you need any more permission? No. He just went above it and then turned around. It's going to come back now. Look, can you use this for day trading or scalping? That trend line that you have drawn on the monthly chart? Yes, you can. From the monthly chart, you can go directly to the 50-minute time frame. And here your RSI period 14 was been overbought for some time. All right? Because they are pushing it to a specific resistance level where they want to sell it. You can look for bearish chart pattern near a resistance level on a 50-minute time frame. Here it is. So I hope I wake you up a bit today, or I open your eyes so you start seeing clearly, all right? And then you will avoid trading the financial market blindly, all right? There are other key support and resistance levels that we should pay attention to, apart from all the lines that I draw on my chart. We are talking about here about Fibonacci extensions. All the Fibonacci extension level are hidden support and resistance level. Using the pitchfork tool, we allow you also to see where are the key support and resistance level. All right. Using market geometry, the projection of channel, we allow you to see all the hidden support and resistance level. Draw your trend line, leave them on your chart, extend them into the future. Have enough data, all right, and do not make your trading decision on the lower time frame. This will help you to avoid trading the financial market blindly. Over the year, traders have been quite happy to fool themselves, wasting a lot of money trading blindly in the financial market. First reason, because they don't have enough data. Second reason, because they are busy trading on the lower time frame, trading the market noise. Third reason, because they do not know where are the key support and resistance levels. They don't know where they are at all, and they are trading blindly. My recommendation to traders is to trade the financial market with eyes wide open without blinking. Are you trading the financial market blindly? Well, now you know what to do about it. If you have any question or suggestion, put it in the comment section. And in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to avoid trading the financial market blindly. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.